port have from the adapter is the same 3 pin hole. But when you look just this for OT or for transfer, file transfer easily, you might find it difficult using that to transfer to laptop or to other device. So easily, what one does is the difference between that of Infinix. If you see that of the Infinix, you will see that this has a USB port. Of course, the USB port which you can the cable you can insert into laptop or other uh, mm, devices that enables you to use USB port, and you still also have this surface like this for Infinix for and even other mobile devices. But this one easily can enable uh, seamless transfer. However, for Samsung, which is special to Samsung because it was specially made or done in such a way, so you can use OTP. You can use this for transfer. Use Bluetooth when, and that's essentially if you need to charge a Samsung device, Android device which has this type of mouth, and once you do not have an adapter that you can insert, then you cannot use it. But suffice it to be said that it is easier, it is very common, and of course doable and useful, that you can still use the USB cable of Infinix or any other device to still charge the your Samsung Android device. Although depending on how fast this could tell you this is faster, this can do this can do that. But for the conventional ones which has this type of port, you can always have it, and that will work out easily. And essentially just this to just show what the for Samsung, a Samsung device, the port which has that pin, and then once you have the adapter is also the flat point. Thank you for joining this. Of course, it has the flat point. This is for Samsung, while that of Infinix or any other device that has the USB cable. But easily, if you want to transfer, you would have to check for you to transfer a device. For you to transfer, you would have to use a USB cable, because not all devices will be able to have that pin mount which has this. And of course, for that, essentially you have to consider, if you need to transfer, you would have to see the a laptop that has a USB cable enabled, which has surface like this. Then you insert into it. Once you insert into it, then it allows for easy and seamless transfer of data. But of course, Samsung will have it is specially made, and of course is for its own device. You can use all other means of for file transfer. For charging device that has this non-USB cable, you can be very sure this works very faster, and this is what you need to do. But the good side of it is that it still accommodates other charging devices or whatever to use to transfer. And if you need to do that and you cannot use this directly, then you use the USB other USB cable for the seamless transfer, which laptops and all other things can accommodate. Thank you for joining this short class, and that's essentially to just show this for others who sent messages on how to use USB cable to transfer data. Thank you for joining. I appreciate you all.